Alright, I'm here to show you how to change out a battery for CPS2 boards. These batteries are usually good for about 5 years. I suggest when you get a board, even if it's been changed recently, just to make sure you change it out. This board I have here, I got it from a KLOV member. It's a Vampire Savior. It works great. Plugged it in, everything works fine, boots up. He said he changed the battery recently, but you know, like I said, just change it out once you get it. Better safe than sorry. You know, I was really intimidated by these boards until I started doing these. It's a very simple process. All you need is a little soldering iron, a battery. Here's the new battery. I got it from JAMA Boards, about $7. It came in within 2 or 3 days. Alright, little flux, a little solder, and then this little tool here I have. There's different kinds of tools. This one actually it's just to remove the solder when you heat it up. Alright, so what I like to do is I'm going to flip the board over. It's taken out of its case already. You know, it's this is a blue board. It's got the blue case on there. You can see right here, here are the 2 pins. You're going to put a little flux on, and you're going to end up desoldering that. A little touch of flux on there. A little touch of flux on there. Yeah, and they say you have about 45 minutes to an hour to change a battery before, you know, the charge that's being held goes dead. Alright, now what I like to do is I like to prop up the board a little bit so it actually the battery will just fall right out. There's something underneath the board there. So you got a little gap here so the battery will just fall right out. Alright. What I'm doing, I'm going to grab my thing that grabs the flux. Alright, I'm going to try to put this down, see if we can see how this works here. Alright, now just the 2 little pins. Take the soldering iron, just hit it up. Once the solder starts melting, boom, there's one. It looks like it was pretty good. I'm going to have to hit that one again. There's a little more solder on there. Let's try this one more time here. Alright. Just to make sure I got all this stuff over here. Alright. Battery usually just drops out. It looks like it probably will come right out. There's your battery going out. Alright. So now we have our board here. No battery. So we got about 45 minutes. This takes all of about 2 minutes. Now what you want to do is make sure the positive goes towards the inside of the board. The positive on the inside of the board. Alright, you don't want to hook it up backwards. So the positive is over here where the green is on this side. Here's your positive sign. Just stick it right in the hole there. Push that down. Now what I like to do, push it down. I'm going to put this back over here. Now you make sure it's tight against the board. Tight against the board. You don't need to prop it up anymore because the battery is going to lay right against the ground there. Now what I like to do to make it sturdy, I bend the legs out right here. A little more flux. Alright, a little solder here. Let's see if we can get this, what am I missing here? Maybe we'll prop it up this way so you guys can see it. Put a little solder on the tip of the soldering iron and hit it up here. Alright. got a pretty good solder there. Alright, hit up on the side. A little bit more. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. Just touch that, make it nice and neat. Boom. There it is. Now what you do, you just cut these legs off. We've got the positive going towards the inside of the board. There you go. Your battery's placed on your CPS2 for another 5 years. It's good to go. I usually put a piece of tape, usually blue tape or some Scotch tape. Put the date on there so I don't forget. And I try to do about 4.5 years. All right. Take care.